Great to know, Austin. Tony, what are your core values? I mean, what is your success key? What are your success keys that you want to share with people?
I think that surrounding yourself by mentors. I have a lot of mentors uh, that I go to for advice when I don't know the answer, and surround yourself by positive energy. Right? There's a lot of negativity right now in the world and everything. So I surround myself by positive people, mentors, having an open mind when you're talking to folks. Right? Yes, I know that my product is the bomb. Is the best thing out there, but you have to have an open mind, right? And think outside the box and listen to some of the advice some of these veterans have uh, been successful at, and see if you need to pivot based on that feedback. So yeah, just having an open mind and surrounding yourself with people. And then the other thing too, I think, is when you're building your company, you want to be able to find people that excel. So for example, I'm good at sales, but I'm not necessarily great at accounting. So rather, I could do accounting, but it would take me 5, 6 times longer if we hired a person who really knows that than me. So sometimes people, when they go into business, they think that they can do everything by themselves. I've done that before too, and I burnt out. So finding these key roles, your CEO, your CFO, your CMO, and your COO, and everybody staying within their lane, right? And so I don't go over, for example, my CFO and say, what are you doing with those numbers right there? I trust that person, that what they're doing is right, and people don't question my sales tactic or my marketing tactic. I just go and do it and just get it done. So I have a go-to, how do I say it? A never give up attitude, do whatever it takes. And that's kind of like the foundation of our company, is do whatever it takes to get it done.
Excellent, excellent. So Tony is saying that you should work on your strengths and not your weaknesses, and he's saying he's actually following Henry Ford. Henry Ford said that the smartest people in the room hire people who are smarter than them, and then when you hire smart people, trust them, because if you hire smart people, because they can do work without your guidance. It's very important to trust people. If they're not doing their job, you should fire them, but if you've hired them and you trust them, you should let them do their work. Um, Thank you.